Hi, I'm Rebecca Brand, and do you know about liquid collagen? I've been researching on the internet, and I wanted a form of collagen that was easily absorbed by my body. Liquid collagen is great for your hair, your nails, the wrinkles in your face, your joints, and your skin. It's truly an anti-aging supplement. I spent a lot of time and money trying to look my best and younger looking. My skin gets a little less elastic as I get older. The lines on my face and my lips get more pronounced. And I wanted something to rejuvenate myself and to kind of turn back those hands of time so I looked younger. As I was researching, I found that liquid collagen is available in little bottles. I would spend hours and hours in my kitchen making bone broth. I have a very big recipe on YouTube with that. And as great as that is, I can't be fussing and making that every day. And I want to have a collagen boost every day. And when I researched collagen, I found out that you need the ones with the most small molecules because your body will absorb those. I found the Heivy liquid collagen formula. It's made from a fish. There's a lot of collagen in fish. I know you know that because if you ever made it, there's a gelatinous film that comes whenever you broil salmon or any other kind of fish. And that gelatin in it is the collagen. Fish is so healthy for you, but they've made a collagen formula that doesn't taste like fish. Those molecules, though, are in it. There's a special way to process it that has great hydrolysis. Your daily intake of collagen should be 10 grams or more. 1/2 of this bottle gives me that daily intake. I keep it in my fridge and I pour it into a cup. And this is what it looks like. It is clear, it smells great, and it tastes great. It's just a little sweet, like a fruit drink. It goes down really easy. And it's delicious. And the quantity is so little, I have it as a morning beverage. And then I have my lattes. It's filled with vitamin E and vitamin C as well. All of those are really important for healthy hair, elastic skin, and it's so good for my joints. I do a lot of walking and running at the beach. It's so beautiful to do that. In the past, my knees have hurt from all the running and walking, but with this liquid collagen supplement, it's helping those aches and pains. It's strengthening the collagen in those joints and ligaments. And all that cartilage in my body as I'm running and walking, that gets a big workout. They've never before had a liquid collagen available on the market. You would have to make it yourself in your kitchen. So when I found Heivy liquid collagen formula, I was so excited because it comes to me in this box. There's 10 of those bottles in the box. That's 20 days worth of supplement. The bottles are small and transportable. You could stick them in your purse. They're great on the go or also in your gym bag. When I use half the bottle, I'll put the second half in my refrigerator for tomorrow. It has 100% of the vitamin C I need in a day. It's a proprietary blend of a collagen made from fish. It has jasmine extract and other great ingredients to make it a very healthy supplement for you. And there's no antibacterial agents, solvents, or preservatives. It's made for your health in mind, and nothing in it is genetically modified. It's made a big difference in my life for the way I look on camera and beyond for all the life I live elsewhere. I like to put my best face, hair, and nails forward, and this helps me do that. It all takes effort, but it starts from the cellular basis. So click the link to get your Heivy liquid collagen formula. It's right there in the description box, and check it out. I'm Rebecca Brand, subscribe to my channel, and ring my bell to get noticed of my next video. And let's drink to life. Cheers to your life, health, happiness, and good looks. Excuse me while I take a union break and drink my liquid collagen. I wish you were here to share a cup with me. And for other beauty videos, check out these. I've got a whole bunch of them on my channel.